I'll recap actually. Okay, guys. So yesterday we were learning on the Jenkins setup, right? So we faced some couple of issues. Let's discuss about the issues what we faced. Okay. Number one, we have downloaded the war file and we started the war file and it was up and running. And as I said, to run the war file, we need Java 1.8 version. Okay. Even I ask you suggest the same thing. Okay. But as I have already having war file, so when I started running that one, it was working fine. And then when I started the UI, it is asking me the username and password. Unfortunately, I forgot my username and password. So that's the reason I have used the another Jenkins, which is a Jenkins installer. Okay. That is double click on the download the installer, double click on that one, click on the next, finish. Okay. That is what we did. And we are started the server, and then started the server in the sense it was automatically the browser is opened, and then we have clicked on the install the plugins. It was took something around 5 to 10 minutes. That is done. And then we configured the username, password. Okay. That is also done. And port number configuration, that is also done. And then we have created one not created, actually we have added one testng plugin. Okay, remember guys, we have added the testng plugin inside the Jenkins. Okay, but testng plugin was not installed successfully, remember that one also. Okay, but that is an optional, that's not blocking us. And the next thing it is, we have added the Java path and MVN path. Okay, so for that one, MVN I told you already, I showed you how to download that MVN. MVN is downloading in the form of zip file. Extract that one, copy the MVN bin location in the where we are copying in the environment variables. That is we learned. Okay, and then what we did, we configured the Java and MVN inside the where Jenkins. Okay, in the Jenkins we can configure the Java and as well as this MVN. Till that one we are done. And then we started the creation of the one job. Okay, after creating the job, I have given the like a workspace inside the job, and then I have provided the command like MVN space MVN test hyphen v, provide the name of the test. Okay, that is what we did. Okay, so but after running that one, what happened actually? Okay, what after that one, what happened actually? Uh, the Java is not downloaded properly. Okay, inside the Jenkins due to some changes. So that was took something around like 19 minutes. Okay, I think something around 18th minute we stopped the class. So that's the thing. So I'll show you now what happened. So what is the URL? Localhost 8080, right? See this localhost 8080. So default ID and password I have given, and you can see here this is the test. Okay, and this is the test. And click on this, and click on this one. Okay, see here, if you see in the right hand side, it took total 19 minutes. So which means to download and all, it took something around 19 minutes. Okay, so you can see the log as well. So to see the log, what we have to do, it is in the left hand side, you can see console output. Click on the console output. See this. This is how it is downloaded the Java. But we don't need to bother what are all these things. Even I also don't know. That is giving some information stating that I have downloaded all these things. Okay. So no need to worry. I will show you again. Okay. All quickly. So after bringing up this Jenkins, right? What we have to do, click on the manage Jenkins. Okay. Inside the manage Jenkins, we have to click on the manage plugins. Under the plugins, what I said, select the test ng. Okay, test ng. So this is what I said. So I ask you to install, but somehow it is not installed properly. I am not installing again. This is the step number one. And again go back to the home page and again click on the manage Jenkins. From here, global tool configuration. Inside the global tool configuration, we have to add the JDK and as well as, where is that? Maven, both. Okay, so this is a Maven configuration and this is a JDK configuration. So JDK, when you click on that, it will show you we have selected the 8 version. Okay, and then click on the save button. This is our regular Maven. Okay, I am asking like a user default one. See, these two are done. Okay, so now go back to the home page, and now what I am doing, I am creating one more job. Okay, yesterday we have created took lot of time, right? I am creating one more job. Okay, so what I am doing, actually the job name it is test, otherwise run smoke. We are running smoke test, right? Okay, so click on this freestyle project and click on the OK. Once you click on the OK, I am getting this one. So there is an advanced button. Click on this advanced button, and there is a checkbox which is use custom workspace and provide the directory. So what is the directory of our project? It is this one, right? Right click this one, copy the location, and right click, paste it, and come down. And here what we have to select, we have to select the invoke top level Maven command. Okay, select that one, and from there select the Maven, the one which we have given. Okay, and then in the goals, what we have to do, if we are running the test case in the command line, what is the command? Actually mvn space test, okay, hyphen p smoke. This is the command, but here I don't provide the mvn actually. Okay, here I don't provide the mvn. Okay, I'll strike out this one. Okay, I don't want to give this mvn here. What I have to give, actually I have to give only a simple command which is test hyphen p smoke. I am giving actually. Why? Because I have already selected the mvn. See this, so I don't need to provide this mvn again. So that's the reason I'll put only test hyphen p smoke and click on the save. Your test case is ready. Okay, and now what you have to do it is, you have to click on this build now. When you click on the build now, it is going to run the test case. So I just clicked on the build now, and you can see it is started running. You can see, right, this guy, some in progress is going on.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to see the progress, just click on this. You are getting this one. See this, it is blinking actually. The other one, which is this guy is blinking, and it is showing this one also. It is progressing. Okay, and it is showing started 15 minutes ago. Bill has started 15 seconds ago. Sorry, 15 seconds ago both. Okay, if you want to see the real output of this one, what you can do it is, you have to click on this console output. Okay, so just to click on the console output, you will see the actual output. Click on that, and you can see here. Okay, can you see this Chrome driver was started successfully?
Yes, sir.
So that is nothing but
Yes, sir.
test case started execution. Okay, and it is done. And one more Chrome driver was started successfully, which is another test case is started. So which means it is running the test cases, but without UI. Can you see? Does it working? Can you see any browser is opened here? No, right?
No.
Browser is not opened, but you can see in the task manager. You can see the browser inside the, see this, some Chrome driver is exes are up and running. Okay, so which means it is running. So that is the reason initially I have taken a step which is running the Jenkins from the war file. Okay, if you run the Jenkins from the war file, right, you can see the output like this, like in a sense, like you can see the browser is opening, it is navigating, clicking on the sign in, entering the username and password. But whereas if you run the same test case from the installer of the Jenkins, right, it you cannot see the UI. That's the difference. That is the reason I always like the war file. Okay, but it's okay. Okay, anyway, we are able to achieve actually. Yeah, so it is having something around 6-7 test cases. Okay, let it run. So I think 7 test cases, few test cases will fail, we know already. Wantedly we are failing or something, it is not working, but it will give you the complete result. Just to try to understand the concept. If you are not able to configure this one, right? Try to understand the concept. If you are really able to configure, right, without any issues, help others. Okay, help your like batchmates. Okay, so that when you are helping, right, so that you will also learn something. Okay, the shortcuts and all you will learn more actually. So help others. From the day one I am telling, help together. Why Balakrishna is not joining every day? Any reason? I see he was regular every day. In the recent days, I see that he is not joining.
He is
Anyone has
attending
any
for the
idea?
interviews. Attending for the
Acha, he
interviews.
started attending interviews. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Mhm. Yeah, how many you have prepared the resume? No one. I have given a sample resume, right, to prepare that one. And one more thing, how many you have like started attending the interviews? No, huh?
No.
Why? Any specific reason? Yeah,
Some more
remember,
practice.
we have why some more practice, guys? It's been almost 3 months. We are going with the course. Even I am not going very fast also. Okay, I am going very slow. If I go fast, right, I can complete the course within 2 months. What is the reason for not practicing? There should be some reason, right, for not practicing. See, if you really are looking for a job, right, so this is not the right way to practice actually. Okay, so you have to spend more time, okay, on the practice. At least I was told earlier also, at least minimum 4 years we have to practice. Sorry, 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours we have to practice minimum. Okay, I don't know what is the reason for not practicing. See, the thing is that once you done with the class, right? Okay, there won't be any communication also. I'm really sure that how many of you will be active in the WhatsApp group also. Okay, I only ask you to create the WhatsApp group. Okay, I don't know how many you people are active in the WhatsApp group. How many people started like creating the Zoom calls and practicing that one. Okay, so I told many times the market is very, very, very good actually. Okay, we are having huge openings, especially in Hyderabad also. It's very one of the third biggest market in India, which is Hyderabad. Okay, so I think why I'm telling this is majority of the people are from Hyderabad, right? So that's why I'm telling. Okay, so there are huge in the sense like a huge jobs are opening available now. Okay, if you perform 50% also, they are ready to take you. If you ask me, right? Okay, in one of my project actually, we need 10 engineers. Okay, we need 10 engineers within 15 days. Okay, so we are hiring the people even if they are performing at least 40 to 60%. Okay, so and while attending the interviews also, don't put your fake names, don't put your fake email address. Give your original email address and original phone numbers. If you are having a good luck, right, you may select in the first or second interview also. No more jobs in Naukri, only for experienced. Oh, okay. I think you are a fresher, right, Vinod?
Yes, sir.
Which batch? 2020 or 2021?
MBA 2020, sir.
MBA 2020. Okay. You check with the Shiva sir for this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Contact Shiva sir. He will help you. or Pawan sir, whoever it is. Okay, so now come back. So this is the test run, total 7 it ran. Okay, under that one 2 failure and errors are 0 and skips are 0. Okay, so the same output, the one which we got in the Eclipse, right? Eclipse, same thing you are getting here. So this is how we have to run the test cases. Okay, so just try to understand the concept in the real time, right? More majority of the time you are running the test cases from the Jenkins. Okay, but as you are keeping 4 years of experience or 5 years experience, right? They don't touch you on the Jenkins side. Okay, at least tell that I am having good exposure on the Jenkins. So Jenkins can be like configured with the help of our Maven project, and then we can run the we can pass the commands. Okay, all those things, like whatever you learn, right? Just try to go with the recordings 2 to 3 times so that you will get the good knowledge. Okay, so don't practice more and don't waste your time, especially on the Jenkins, because Jenkins no one will ask you any interview questions. Very rarely, very rarely people ask the interview questions if you really say that I am good in Jenkins. Okay, otherwise try to understand the concept. But if they are asking, right, how you are running the test cases, you can tell that I am running the test cases from the Jenkins. Okay, so you can tell that like this. Okay, there are already some jobs are created in the Jenkins. We are selecting one of the job and clicking on that one and clicking on the build now button to run the test cases. Okay, otherwise you can tell that there are some separate, my manager will take care or lead will take care to run the test cases. We are just writing the test cases and keeping in the git. You can tell that one also. Okay, so just tell this theory, that is enough. Okay, about the Jenkins. Okay, so any doubts in the Jenkins? If no doubts, I'll move to the next one, which is shell scripting and Linux commands. Okay, it's not shell actually, it's Windows commands and Linux commands. Okay, so this is actually you may not need in the interview, but but I will give you something around 25 commands. I will show you now 25 commands now. Okay, in Linux and Windows. Okay, in Linux and Windows, you can practice. You don't, guys, you don't need to worry. You need a Linux machine actually. I have some solution actually. You can execute the Linux commands in the Windows also. Okay, I'll show you that what are those commands. But if you remember this 25 commands, right, that is enough. Okay, in the interview, 99% they don't ask you, 99, not 99, 80% they don't ask you about the questions of Windows and Linux. Okay, by any chance if they are asking, do you have any experience on the Windows or Linux command? Okay, at that moment you tell that yes, I am having good exposure on the Windows and Linux command. I know these commands, so can I write it on the paper? Okay, on the chart box. Okay, so at that moment you can write it easily. Okay, it is really very easy to understand all these commands. I will show you now. Okay, so I have already prepared a PPT actually for this one. Okay, 1 second. Windows and Linux commands, right? Yeah, yeah, I'm back. Okay, so everything is set. So now Linux commands and Windows commands. Okay, so first of all, why we are learning the Linux commands? That's the question. Okay, why do we need? It's not like that I'm teaching and you are learning. Okay, so there is a need actually for Linux commands. So nowadays people are deploying the applications inside the server. I mean, of course, from the day one, people are keeping the applications inside the server. Okay, inside the server. So everyone knows that one. But whenever we are, I mean, we are keeping the these things inside the server. That is true. Okay, there is no doubt on that one. But to access that server, we do not have any UI. See, if you are having, as you are having laptop, right? Okay, you know how to access by using keyboard and mouse. But if it is a Linux server, right, you do not have the UI. If it is a Linux server, you do not have the UI actually. You are having only command line like this. Okay, you have to use all the commands. Okay, but now what I am doing now, see, if I want to go to the Amirpet class, I have to click on this one. I can open this April batch, I can open this Jenkins, I can do a lot of these things by using my mouse. Okay, but if it is Linux machine, that you do not have the UI, you have only command. You have only command actually. Okay, how to navigate to the folders. Okay, how to delete a file, how to create a file, how to create a directory, how to delete the directory, all these things you should know actually. Okay, so very simple commands we will learn actually. Okay, those things. So now what I'll do, uh, where is this? I'll create a one folder. Okay, commands underscore practice. Okay, I'm creating this folder. So under this one I'm creating a test folder. Okay, and I'm creating one test file, something like abc file actually. Okay, let's work on these things. Come back here. Okay, so see here, pwd. What is the meaning of pwd? Pwd is nothing but current working directory, nothing but present working directory. Okay, how to execute the Linux command? I told you, right, there is a remedy actually. It is a very good remedy. If you have already installed the Git on your machine, right, you can execute the Linux commands here. Very simple. Right click on that. Okay, right click on the folder. There is a git bash. Okay, there is a git bash. Just to click on the git bash. See this, git bash is open. Okay, inside this git bash you can execute the Linux commands. So how to execute Linux commands? Very simple. Okay, pwd, I told you, right? Pwd. Okay, when you say pwd, see, it is showing something like this. Let me maximize. See this, I have executed the pwd. It is showing C Santosh class testing class Amripet notes and all these things. See the same thing. C Santosh class testing class Amripet class, and then commands practice. As it is showing. This is the power of our Git. Git can handle both commands, which is Linux and Windows. Okay. If you want to execute the Linux commands, right, use the Git terminal. If you want to use the Windows commands, use our regular command prompt like this. Okay, that is about the pwd. So when I say pwd, I am getting the current working directory, nothing but pwd per present working directory. What is the next command? Cd. Cd is nothing but go back to the home. When I say cd enter, it is navigated to the home actually. See this, earlier my location was this, now my location is home actually. Home in the sense, see this, if I say pwd, see, it is showing the this location, which is C user Santu. Okay, this location it is showing actually. Okay, so that is the thing. So that is the power of cd. Cd is nothing but change the directory to the home. Okay, and now again go back to the our original command prompt to here. Right click, copy. To navigate to that any other location, cd provide that location and click on the enter. Now it is navigated to the this directory, the earlier directory. So what we have to do, cd provide the directory name. Okay, cd provide the directory name, it will navigate over there. And now from under this, what we have to do it is, when I type ls, ls is nothing but list. When I say plain ls, it will tell you how many directories are there and how many files are there. See this, it is showing abt.txt file and test folder actually. So see the coloring. When it is showing white, it is a file. When is showing the blue color, right, or purple color, it is a folder. See here, if I create one more folder here, see this one more folder I have created. The folder name itself new folder. Go back here. What is that? ls. Click on the enter. See this new folder, abd and test. It is showing three things like that. And then ls-r, okay, will list all the files in the subdirectories as well. Nothing but ls-r. ls-r is nothing but it will give you the current directory, file names, folder names, and if there is any files in the folders, right, those things also it will show you. So as of now my folder does not contain anything. So what I will do, I am creating a small text file, okay, testing.txt. If I execute that command, right, it will give you ls-r, right. See this ls minus capital R, I think. Yeah, it is, see, it is showing actually. Okay, so this one it is showing, and in the new folder nothing is available. In the test folder there is a testing.txt file is available. That is also it is showing. And now ls-a will show the hidden files as well. Okay, ls-a is nothing but if there is any hidden files. What is the meaning of hidden files? I told you last time also. Okay, what I will do, I am creating one folder, okay, folder name called hello. Okay, what I will do, I am making this as hidden. See this hidden, click on the OK. Now it is a hidden file. If I execute our regular command, which is ls-r, it don't show the hidden file. It is showing actually. One second, it's a normal ls I'll put. Okay, actually I think this command will work in the actual Linux machine, but anyway it is working here. What is that one? Actually ls-a, ls-a, I'll put ls-a. Okay, it will show. See, when I type ls-a, it is showing some extra dot slash and dot slash. Okay, see this, but earlier ls it is not showing the dot slash and dot slash. Okay, remember guys, in each and every folder there are two other folders are available, which is slash and dot slash are available actually. So normally those things are not visible to anyone. That is a what do you call which will available only for the Windows. We cannot access that one. Okay, that's the reason it is showing now. And now ls-al will list the files and directories with detailed information like permission, size, owner, and etc. ls-al is nothing but it will provide you the complete information. Okay, it will provide you the complete information, which is ls-al, which is folder, file, inside the folder, that file, and what is the size of that one, and what is the permission of that one. See this, it is clearly it is telling, okay, the permissions. See this name of the folder, what is the permissions for this one, name of the file, what is the permissions for that one, again folder, permissions, folder, and permissions. Like this it will show you the clear information. You may be having the question, what is the meaning of permissions? Permissions are nothing but, see here, for this file what I can do, if I say read only, okay, I am creating one more file here. Okay, this is xyz. There are two files, which is, let me create properly, abc and xyz. abc is a read only and xyz is the write operation as well. Let me do this same command, clear this. So if you notice, there is a abc file which is RRR, triple R. Okay, it's not a Rajamouli movie. Okay, RRR is nothing but read only file. Okay, but if it is XYZ, right, RW, nothing but read write. You can do the reading and you can do the writing as well. See, if I open this ABC, if I type something, go to the file, click on the save, it cannot save actually. It is saving save as, because it is a read only file. You cannot enter anything. But when you open this XYZ, save it, it will save because it is a read and write file. I think you must know all these things. What is a read file, read file, okay, all those things. And now next one, it is CP. CP is nothing but copy paste. Okay, whenever you wanted to copy paste a file, that you have to use a CP command. Okay, which is CP. I want to copy the XYZ file, XYZ dot txt file. I want to copy this one. Okay, with a different name, which is pqr dot txt. What it will do actually, it will copy the XYZ file. Okay, pasting with the pqr file. Click on the enter and go back your here. See this, can you see pqr now? It is available. Okay, why it is available? Because I have copy pasted this one. So if you open this, I'm having sdf dsf as a text. If you open this one also, same text is available. See this, sdf dsf. Why? Because I have copy pasted that one. Okay, and then move, actually move is nothing but if you wanted to move a file from one location to another location, which is nothing but I wanted to move this file to the test folder. Okay, I want to move this file to the test folder. I don't want to keep it here. At that moment you have to move it here. So if you are using the cursor, right, what you will do, just drag and drop. But if you wanted to do the same operation by using command line, what you have to do it is mv pqr.txt. Okay, to which folder I wanted to navigate? Test folder, right, which is test slash. See this, where is that? See, the file is not available. When you open this, pqr is available now. You can see, right, pqr is available. Open this, same text is available. So cut to paste. Okay, it's moving is nothing but cut and paste. And then next one is mkdir. What is the meaning of mkdir? It is to create a folder. Okay, to create a folder. Okay, what I want actually, I want to create a folder. Okay, with a name called Kumar. Okay, I want to create other digital cutlet. I want to create a folder name called digital cutlet. See, the folder is created. Where is that? Go to this location. See this, folder is created, digital cutlet. All are simple commands. Okay, rmdir. Okay, you created a folder and now you want to delete, right, which is rm. Mk is nothing but make directory. Rm is nothing but remove directory. Rmdir space digital cutlet. Click on the enter, deleted that one. See, nothing is available that folder. We create and we can delete. Everything is command line. Rm is nothing but to remove a file or folder. Okay, see here, I want to remove, I want to delete this xyz. Okay, in that case what you can do, rm xyz. Okay, this is to delete the directory, rmdir. When you say plain rm, right, it will delete the file. See, rm xyz, when you click on the enter, see, the file is deleted. That is for the rm. And now the another thing, it is one more thing, rm minus r is also available actually. Okay, rm minus r is nothing but it will delete all the files and folders. Okay, rm minus r of test. Okay, it will delete the test folder inside of that one as well. See this, test folder, inside there is a one file is available, test.txt and pqr.txt. that is also deleted. Rm minus r is nothing but recursively it is deleting. Let me add this. Let me add that one. Okay, yeah. What is the next one? Grep. Okay, grep is nothing but okay, I will show you. Grep okay, let me think of that one and then I will show. Go to open file location, copy this. Let me try me first and then I'll show you. ps space hyphen aef grep and chrome driver.exe. Okay, achha, grep command cannot work here, but I will explain that one. Okay, grep is nothing but this is your driver folder. Okay, this is a driver folder which contains a driver now. Okay, if you are trying to delete this one, see here I'm trying to delete this. Okay, what it is telling actually, the action cannot be completed because the file is open in open in chrome driver.exe, which means this file is already opened actually. That is what it is telling. What does that mean? Okay, someone is already using this one. How to know who is using that one? Okay, so to know that one, what we have to do, we have to use a command like this. Okay, ps space hyphen aef grep provide the location of that file, then it will tell you who is using that one. Okay, we will be getting some id and kill that id. Okay, to kill that id, what we have to do it is we have to use a command called kill -9 provide that id. Okay, similarly like this, the task manager, normally we see the ids, right? uh, I don't know whether you can see pid. See this, can you see pid here? 13156, there is a pid.
Sir.
Okay, so we can kill this pid from the command line. Okay, as this is windows, right, we cannot kill that one, but we can kill the pid. Let me try. I think I'm not sure. Let's give a try. Okay, I'm sure it don't work. Okay, kill -9. Okay, 13156 na. No such process it is telling. Okay, because this is a window pure linux command. 90% of the commands we can achieve, but the remaining 10% that we cannot achieve, which is ps-aef, like this kill, those things we cannot achieve. Okay, and the next one, it is df. Df is nothing but what is the current size of your machine, which is when I say df. Okay, see this, if you say, when I say df, it is showing the size of this location. It is showing size of this location. Now, see this. This is a file location, and what is the size of that one, and how much it is used, and how much it is available, and how much it is left. Percentage. Nothing but normally we see, right? Size of the file, size of the C drive, D drive. That is nothing but this one. Disk fragmentation. DF is nothing but. The next one, it is tail. Tail is a good one actually. This is, where is that? See this. This is abc.txt, right? Okay, I cannot write anything here. Let me make it as a read. Remove the read. Let me open this. See here, I am writing something, some blah blah stuff here. Okay, and then save this. Now what I will do, what pwd, what is the location? Perfect. Command practice. What I am telling here, it is tail -f abc.txt. When I say this, see this, how it is coming. It is, let me open this. Let me open this file. Go back here. Can you see last 10 lines it is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10 lines of code is visible here. This is the power of tail actually. Okay, tail, it will show you the last 10 lines of file text in the command line. Only last 10 lines. Okay, last 10 is the last 10 only. No, if you really want not only 10 actually, you want something extra. I don't want to like a 10. I think at that moment you have to put something like 15 like this. Not this. What is that command actually? Tail hyphen here. No. Tail -f. That command is also not working here. Okay, so when you want more than that line, right, at that moment what you have to do it is you have to use a command like this, tail hyphen f 15 in the sense it will show you the 15 lines. As of now it was showing only 10 lines, right, till here. It will show you the 15 lines. That's the difference. Tail is nothing but, I mean, to open a file and all those things. And the next one, it is ch mode. Ch mode is nothing but, so if you notice here, abc.txt, right? Okay, when I say ls-ltr, I told you, right, ls-ltr, it is giving the complete with permission. This is a read write. Okay, I want to give the 100% permissions to this file. The meaning of 100% in the sense, always read write, it is showing 2 RR, right? It will show you the read write, read write, read write 3 times. So in that case, ch mode 777 to abc.txt. Okay, so I have given 777 permissions to the abc.txt. This is the highest privilege we have given to that one. Now I am executing the ls space hyphen ltr. Why it is showing only R? Again, this command is also for the Linux again, but command is same. There is no change. Okay, ch mode 777. Okay, we have to provide ch mode 777. This is skill we learned already, and the ping. Okay, so you wanted to know like whether the internet is working properly or not. In that case, what we have to do? We have to type like this: ping google.com. Okay, when you say this one, it is pinging to the server 4 times like this. Okay, and then it will come out. So when you are getting the replay like this, replay from so and so, right, then you can treat that it is working fine. Okay, like that we are having few more commands. 1 minute. Yeah, kill we learn, ping we learn, top is nothing but, I don't know this will work or not. Yeah, top is not working. Why? Because top is, it will tell you it is similar like this. So in the Windows, in the task manager, you can see performance, right? Okay, how it is showing CPU performance, memory, disk, Wi-Fi, GPU. The same thing is available in the top. It is replace of the task manager. And then host name. Host name is nothing but you want to know what is the current your machine name. Just type host name. Okay. So my machine name is desktop 8IO something something. Okay. And then cd, I told already, cd dot dot. So see this, cd dot dot is nothing but this is your location, this is your current location. If you want to go to the one step up, okay, I don't want to be in the command practice, I want to be in the one step up. Actually one step up, at that moment what you have to do, just type cd dot dot. Now you are in the one step up. It is showing some command not found, right? Let me do the cd space dot dot. Yeah, this is working. Cd space dot dot. I think, yeah, I have given space here also. cd space dot dot. See, earlier it was till command practice. Now it is in the Amirpet class only till here, like that. Ifconfig is nothing but what you have to do it is the current IP address of your machine. Okay, so ifconfig, this is not working, but you can use the otherwise IP config you can use ifconfig or IP config. Okay, this is the one. So these are the frequently used commands are there in the Linux. Okay, so if you want to clear all these things right from the command line, just type clear, click on the enter. See, nothing is available in this one. Okay, similarly we are having Windows commands as well. Any doubts in the Linux? Only frequently
No,
commands
sir.
I am showing. Yeah, thank you. Others?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear,
Now.
right? Yeah, it's very simple
Clear.
comment. It's like a self-explanatory. You know, right? Self-explanatory is nothing but the command itself. It is telling to you pwd present working directory, cd change directory, ls list, cp copy paste, mv move, mkdir make dir, rmdir remove dir, rm remove, grep nothing but get something. Okay, what is the next one? df disk fragmentation, current disk. Okay, tail is nothing but I want, so tail of the file. Okay, tail of the file is nothing but the file may contain something around like 1,000 lines. Okay, but you want only tail of last 10 lines. Okay, so that is nothing but tail. Ch mode, you are giving the permissions. Okay, change mode. Kill the process. Ping to the server. Top is nothing but get the what is similar to the task manager. Okay, host name, get the current your machine name actually. Cd, again change directory. Okay, cd dot dot, go to the one step up. Ifconfig, current IP address of your machine. All are like a simple commands, very easy to understand. By seeing that it will understand, but remembering that one it will difficult. But I told you already, in another 3 months still you will be attending the interviews from the home only. Okay, don't lose this opportunity. Once the offices are started, right, you need to travel to the office and then you have to provide the answers. That is very difficult. Okay, attending the interview in the home, it is very easy. Why? Because behind your laptop keep a one wall and stick all the commands over there. Selenium commands or Windows commands or Linux commands or Jenkins, whatever it is. Keep a one big chart over there. You know, right? Chart we get in the 5 rupees in the bookstall. Okay, keep that one behind your laptop or desktop. Okay, and by seeing that one, you can tell. You understand, right? What I am telling?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am telling how to cheating also now. Okay, beyond this one, I cannot tell. Okay,
Sir, no audio.
sorry, I didn't get.
No audio, sir.
No audio. All are able to hear, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I think something problem with your end. I think Santosh. Okay, yeah.
So in which case we use Windows, I mean, in where we are going to use this Linux and Windows commands?
Linux, I told you right in the beginning of the class. So we are having the uh, applications deployed inside the servers. Okay, majority of the times server is always Linux. Okay, so for the Linux you do not have like this UI. Okay, so you will be having only one command prompt to access that server actually. Okay, so in that case you have to deal with everything server. Okay, copy paste server, start the server, delete the server. Okay, all these things you have to do from the command line only. So you do not have the mouse. There is no look and feel actually. The only look and feel is terminal is nothing but command prompt.
Okay.
It's like that. Okay, yeah. And now coming back. Okay, windows commands are very less. Okay, comparatively it is 9 something or 19 commands, 20 commands are there. Here we are having only 11 commands frequently. Why? Because in the Windows we don't deal with the commands. Why? Because for Windows, right, you always deal with the your keyboard and mouse. So that's the reason a simple few commands I am telling actually. Okay, and now come back to the Windows. So Windows, right, take the same folder. Where is that folder? Is here. Okay, how to open the command prompt? You know that one. Start button, cmd. This is the one option. And another option it is, if you want to open the command from this location, right, click here, delete this, cmd. Directly it is opening the command like this. See this, the entire thing is coming over here. This is the one option. Or else what you can do it is create a cmd, open the cmd, and then go here, copy this location, open the cmd, same commands, right, almost similar, same Linux and Windows. See this, change directory, right? Cd, change directory, cd, paste that one, paste it, enter. It is navigated over here. Okay, this is about cd. If you type plain cd, right, plain cd, just click on the enter. It will tell you the pwd. Over there it is pwd, now here it is only cd. That's the difference. And then directory, over there we are having list. Okay, when you type ls, it is giving the current folders and all those things. Okay, here what you have to do, you have to provide the dir. When you type dir, right, it is showing all these things. That's the difference. Over there ls, here it is dir. And move, over there it is mv command, here it is move command. Okay, move, what I want to move actually, abc to new folder. What you have to do, abc to new folder. So if there is any spaces in the series, if it is a new folder, there is a space actually. If it is a space, right, you have to keep it in the double quotes. See this, double quotes, click on the enter. One file is moved. See, the file is gone, and when you open this, you got the file here like this. Okay, that is about move. Okay, mkdir, mkdir. So what I will do, I am creating the folder. See here, back top in the back here, you don't have the digital cutlet file. Now for folder, digital cutlet, click on the enter. See this, we got the digital cutlet folder. And how to delete that one? Remove dir, same command, there is no change. Rm dir digital cutlet, click on the enter. See, it is gone. And
So do we
now
have sort by name and size?
sort to by name and size. Okay, yeah, definitely we are having that command. I will tell you, but normally it is a Windows, right? You don't need all those things. You have right click on this one, click on the details. Okay, you can see here there is size like this. Yeah, there should be a command, that's for sure. Okay, there should be a command. Normally I don't use those commands. Why? Because we are having the privilege to access the UI of the Windows. So that's why even I don't use those commands. For the, if it is a Windows, right, I always go with the mouse actually, keyboard and mouse. Yeah, definitely if you Google, right, you will get it. That's for sure. Ping is nothing but whenever you wanted to ping to the any server, right, ping, same google.com. That's it. It is pinging to the server. Okay. And now cd dot dot, same thing. Earlier it was cd space dot dot. Okay, it is going to the one step up. Here also cd space dot dot, one step up. See this, earlier it was commands practice, now it is Amirpet class only. Now the question it is, if you wanted to go to this location, you don't want to go to this location, you want to go till this location. In that case, you have to provide two cd dot dot, cd dot dot slash again dot dot. Now it is two steps, two times you have given dot 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 dot. That's why this is gone and this is gone, you got this one. Same thing, host name, there is no change. Okay, IP config is also same. If someone is asking you to provide your IP address, at that moment type this IP config and then this is IP address. See this, IPv4 IP address. Okay, I don't show this to anyone actually. It is showing all my systems IP address and all. Okay, keep it with you, this recording. Okay, anyone can hack my machine if they know this IP address and all those things. Yeah, this is how we can do. Okay, the Linux and Windows commands, and we are done this one also. We are left with only one topic, which is performance testing, and some topics in the Cucumber and WebDriver. All these things can be done within a day, that is tomorrow. So performance testing and JMeter, this is left actually. I can teach today also, but I don't want to overload because we already learned a lot of things. So this, it won't take much time actually, JMeter, because we are not learning deeper. Okay, if someone is asking, do you have any knowledge on the JMeter, right, you can tell yes. Okay, if you understand tomorrow's class, right, you can tell yes. Okay, I will tell you what is performance testing and all those things tomorrow. Okay,
You
yeah,
said Docker also, sir?
yeah, Docker, yeah, Docker is in my hand. Yeah, I think I have hand here. Yeah, Docker, my machine is not working actually for the Docker. I'll try to do whatever, something for the Docker, because to work with the Docker, right, we need a premium version of the uh, this one, what do you call, um, Windows. Okay, it is not a premium version. This is, if you notice, it's a home edition. See, can you see home edition? Okay, so if you need a premium version, right, you need to pay a lot of money to the Windows guys. Okay, so that's the problem actually, but I will give you the knowledge, don't worry. Okay, how to do and all those things. Yeah, what is a Docker and how to run the test case in the Docker, the complete theory knowledge, and then some practical also. Yeah, okay, so now what I will show you, what is left. I think only 2 topics are left, okay, in the course. Okay, so by any chance, if you are feeling that I didn't cover anything, or if you are having any questions and all, right, yeah, definitely you are having my email ID. Okay, so send your questions or queries in the email. And also I always suggest, right, first try, okay, first try your own. If not, okay, come to the your WhatsApp group and then come to me. Okay, why? Because first go with the Google, if not go with your groups, if not come to me. Why? Because getting the reply from me, right, it is little late actually, you saw already, because as I am working, right, it will take some time to get actually. So that's the reason I suggest all people, so spend some time from your end and then come back to me. Okay, but definitely I am available. Don't think that uh, if I am done with the class, okay, I'm not available for you. Okay, so come back to here. This is our course syllabus, and 23.8 is Docker, right? Okay, so you know that this is done. Okay, this is done. Manual testing for few people it is done. For the few people it is not done. The person who is not done, right, they can start attending the classes from the Monday onwards. Core Java is done. Automation testing is done. XPath is done. TestNG JNT is done. BDD is done. Reporting with external report is done. Jenkins is done. Git is done. Database is done. Project training is done. Framework implementation. See, all these things are related. Framework implementation, project training, okay, TestNG, BDD, all together actually. Okay, they have divided here, but we learned all together. And mobile testing is not done. Okay, REST API testing is done, and Postman is done. Desktop application automation using auto, it is not done. Performance testing is not done. Shell scripting is done. Linux is done. This is not done. This is I have given already. Mock interviews I will take soon. Okay, so let me pick the one which is not done. So this is not done, right? And these 2 things are not done, and this is not done, and these 2 things also not done. Above things are done actually, all the above, right? These are marked as done. And now the question it is, okay, so Pawan sir will teach these 2, and don't guys don't wait until he teaches you. Okay, this is as part of the course. Definitely it is our responsibility to give you, but it is not important for the interview. Okay, you may be hearing that like mobile and all those things, right? Don't worry about all those things. Using mobile interviews are very less are there. People are looking only web automation. Okay, so and desktop automation as well. Pawan sir will teaches you sometime. Okay, not immediately, it will take something around 10 to 15 days. When he is covering that one, he will be taking care of that one. Okay, don't wait, I didn't get this one, and that's the reason I did not upload the resume, it is getting late. Don't be in that assumptions. Okay, so that is completely optional. Okay, yeah, and next one it is, this is I will take care. Okay, performance testing and mock interviews and Docker, this is I will take care, and this will be taken care by the Shiva sir. Okay, whenever he is starting the course, right? Okay, that English, at that moment he will inform in the uh, WhatsApp status. You can go and attend that class. The person who is having the poor communication in the English, right, they can attend this one. If you are having good communication in English, right? Don't wait. Okay, again, the basic English you already know already. I saw many people already having the basic English. That is enough to get a job. Again, don't wait. I want English. And that's the reason I am not updating the resume in the Naukri. Okay, don't give like reasons for not uploading the resume in the Naukri. Okay, there are many people in the industry who knows only 50% English. Okay, still they are getting the job and they are surviving and they get married and they are surviving also with the marriage also. Okay, don't think that I didn't know the English, I don't know the 100% Java programming. Don't think like that. Okay, see how is our hand actually? In a hand, how many fingers we have total? 5, right? How many fingers we have?
Five.
Total 5.
Yes, sir.
All 5 fingers are strong or else only few fingers are strong under that?
All finger.
Sorry?
All
All,
together.
all 5 fingers are strong.
Now
All
few.
together.
All together it is strong. I know that one. Okay, but if I can lift a bucket with 2 fingers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll show some example. Let me try to draw this one. This is one finger. This is one. This is a middle, and this is a ring finger. This is a little finger. Okay, I think it is showing like a hand, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now tell me, all these 5 fingers are strong.
Not
Together it is strong. Everyone knows that. Okay, but does it really strong? This one,
No, sir.
little finger. No, right? Does this is strong? But
No,
this is stronger than this. Okay, but this is stronger than this. These two are together stronger. Both are equal actually. Okay, this is okay, not a problem. Compare with these two, right? This is okay. Okay, so remember guys, in the company also, if you're having a team size of 5, okay, in the company, if a team size of 5, okay, remember you may be fitting here or you may be fitting here or you may be fitting here or here or here. Okay, but all together you are a team. Okay, all together you are a team. Okay, there are many people are there in this location. 50% of the people are from, let me take the another, 50% are from here only in the industry. Okay, I am not making you poor actually, because you all are beginners. That's the reason I am telling. Okay, many people are having very less knowledge who is working from last 10 years also. Okay, if the person really is a good candidate, a good engineer, good coding skills, right? Those people never come to the testing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, just if I ask you, to you all, okay, you all are coming in under this one, including me. So don't, and I'm not blaming anyone actually, including me. We will come here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So don't think that I am not having rocket science knowledge, I am not having good communication skills, I am not having blah blah stuff. Don't find the reasons to not upload the resume. Upload your resume and get the job. That's it. Okay, it is not a school or it is not a college. Okay, if it is a school, right, earlier in the legacy days teachers used to get the beating actually with the sticks or hands. Yes or no? In the industry, no one will beat you. Okay, they will tell you go out from the office. That is also very politely they will tell you. Okay, and you are having another job in the outside. Okay, so try to give maximum once you get a job. Okay, if still they don't like it, they will terminate you and you will get another job. We are having lakhs of companies in India. Okay, thousands of companies in Hyderabad. Okay, don't think that that is the only one company which is giving you the money for you. There are thousands of companies are there. Okay, if you notice, right, check with the Shiva sir, in our students, right, people are getting 2-3 offers, 2-3 offers. Okay, 2-3 offers are getting. It is not their greatness. Okay, 2-3 offers are getting. It is not their greatness actually. The greatness is there are more jobs. Okay, there are more jobs. That's the reason people are getting more offers. అర్థమవుతుందని చెప్పింది.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
జాబ్స్ అన్నవి ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి
Yes, sir.
కాబట్టి జనాలకి 2-3 ఆఫర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. I see there is a student who got 4 offers also. Okay, why? ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ హీజ్ ఆర్ హర్ గ్రేట్నెస్. వాళ్ళ గ్రేట్నెస్ కాదు అక్కడ. వాళ్ళు ఏమనుకుంటారంటే ఐఎమ్ ఏ గ్రేట్ పర్సన్ యాక్చువల్. అది గ్రేట్నెస్ కాదండి అక్కడ. విషయం ఏంటిదంటే జాబ్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి జనాలు ఆఫర్ లెటర్ ఇచ్చేసి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు అంతే. బికాస్ ఇండియా ఈజ్ గ్రోయింగ్ లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఐటీ ఇండస్ట్రీ. ఓకే, దే నీడ్ ఎ టెస్టర్స్, దే నీడ్ ఎ డెవలపర్స్, దే నీడ్ ఎ పీపుల్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు ద వరల్డ్ రైట్, ఇండియా ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ ద ఓన్లీ మ్యాన్ పవర్. ఈవెన్ ద చైనా ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నాట్ హ్యావింగ్ ద మ్యాన్ పవర్. Okay, they are into hardware majority of the times. Okay, and even if you know, right, and slowly they are going down because no one is trusting them. Okay,
సార్
yeah,
question.
tell me, చెప్పండి.
సార్ ఈ ఏపీఐది ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇచ్చారు, అది ఎనఫ్ సార్ ఇంకా ఇంటర్వ్యూకి?
అది enough అండి, that is enough.
ఓకే సార్.
Enough, and go with the recordings. Okay,
యా ఓకే షూర్ సార్.
spend more time on the recordings, practice as it is. Okay,